Hello everyone, welcome to the Members channel. So today I'll be unboxing this Ryobi's 40-volt lithium brushless 20 inches cordless lawnmower. So I actually wanted to get the riding one, but my husband was like, there's no point, let's do this exercise and push it. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. What do we have? Let's see if they need any kind of setup. So in this little basket thingy, we have the manual, I think, and then I kind of love this. What if I use this as a laundry basket? But I think we have to store some kind of equipment in here, so keep this aside. This is what it looks like. Oh, there's no need of setup. I was actually doing this video in case there's need of setup, so we can all figure it out together like we always do. So this right here is wedging the tires, and then that, I think this comes out. Yeah, that comes out. This comes out. Okay, this is a little heavy. Is anything else in it? So charge LED 40 volt. This looks like the battery, I think, and this is the charger. Yeah, that, no, not there. Where does this go? We'll figure it out later. Probably goes to the machine itself. Oh, this is the adapter. I think we're gonna use this to charge the battery, and there is something in here. I thought as much. The battery is supposed to be heavy. So that is the battery, and let's see. So I'm thinking this slides right in to charge, and push it to come right out. Don't laugh at me, I'm still learning also. Okay, so I'm guessing this goes in here. Is this some kind of stuff they used to put that one? Please correct me guys if I'm doing something wrong. I just want to see. So I'm guessing to slide it in like that, but I'm not going to turn it on until I charge the battery for several hours. This stands here. I don't know yet, I'll figure that out. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, you know. Oh, there's lights on. So the difference between this one and the other one, I don't like keeping gas around, so I've got the electric one, you know, of course the battery one instead of the gas one. And one of them, this pushes it forward, you know, and the other cheaper one also, like, you have to push with all your strength in order to like blow your mower. So but I think this is some kind of brake or the level of grass. Hold the lever, yeah, like that, like a gear, like gear 1, you know, depending on how tall the grass is. Not really sure. And then the gear 2, it lifts it up a little bit. Gear 3. So I figured this out. Let's see what it looks like under. Is this sharp? Look at that. That's how it cuts your grass. It's actually like metal. This is what cuts your grass. Right here. So I guess when you're done, you can easily store it like this. Oh, this self-propelled speed comes in. Let me show you. Self-propelled speed kind of showed, I think, the minimum you want to go, or how speed, like how you want the stuff to drag you forward, either minimum or maximum. But anyways, this, when you put it down, you turn it clockwise to lock it, or you can open it like this and lift it up. I think you can also still lock it, yeah, depending on how tall you are. So let's put it back down and lock it. And I'll go charge it up, go charge the battery up. You always want to press in here to bring it out. So it's so hard to learn to do stuff or figure out stuff when you haven't read the manual. So I'm gonna go open this part out. Go charge it up, and we'll give it a test ride. And then you slide the adapter on the battery and then plug the charger right there, and let's go charge it up. So everybody, this is 1 day later. I charged the battery for like a whole day before I use it. So I am going to show you a few things. This right here is so that you can put it, move it back or forth, like if you want to store it. And so you have to twist and it snaps, and twist the other one, it snaps. See, you can move, or you can pull it out and twist. Pull it out and twist. See that? And then this one, this helps you extend the arm. So I had tried on this and it didn't turn on, and I was told that you were supposed to extend the arm. Turn this aside, extend it. Let me show you. I'll put it down, hold the I don't know whatever I call this, make sure you hold it and turn it on. It wouldn't turn on because the arms are not extended. And don't forget what I said earlier, this is for you to change to the level of the grass, 1 inch to 4 inches, and then it comes up when you change it. So let's go ahead and extend this and turn it on. Make sure you hold this. It's like the turtle. I want to say the turtle or something like a car, and then press it. Time. And it stops. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and change this because this grass is a little longer. Let's put it to like the middle one, and then hold this forward. Let's just see how it goes. So it goes push you forward. I put it maximum speed. Minimum is moving faster now. Is it on? It's not even on. Alright, it's not as hard as I was thinking. So for the long grass, I'm going to put it all the way to maximum, which is number 4. That's not the maximum. So it didn't go all the way to maximum. I don't have time to wait. No need. So, you guys, this is the difference. The problem is I have a freaking big backyard. That is the problem. And I have one more section of backyard. The side yard. So this is it right here. And then I could get the leaf blower, which I don't think it was in there in this aspect. But that's the difference. Alright everybody. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this video helps you out. Can help in my backyard. Have a nice day. Bye.